Hello viewers, welcome to Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. We bring you so many informative videos on different concepts based on modern healthcare. I would like to welcome you all to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates of a new informative video. Also, you can visit our blog www.learnbiomedengine.blogspot.com to learn more on the concepts we share in our videos. We can support you in advertising your healthcare products, we can promote your healthcare events, we can provide technical reviews for your medical devices and many online supports to boost up your healthcare business. If you are interested to get support from us, please contact us in the given mail ID. Today's video is about N95 respirator mask from personal protective equipment. What is N95 respirator? N95 respirator is a disposable mask covers the nose and mouth, which protects the user from breathing hazardous substances. It acts as an air purifying respirator certified by the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health. N95 mask is 95% efficient in filtering aerosol particles. It is also capable of filtering contaminants like tuberculosis, viruses, bacteria, and mists. But it doesn't filter toxic gases, vapors, and the smell of smoke. The purpose of using N95 respirator mask is it is designed to protect against dust, fumes, mist, aerosols, and smoke particulates. It is also effective against biological particles such as pores, viruses, and other aerosol droplets which are invisible to naked eye. Respirator is classified into two: air purifying respirator and supplied air respirator. To choose the right respirator, we must first identify the respiratory hazard and evaluate the condition. We need to check the airborne levels and proper fitting of the mask. Some problems that occur while using respirator are it has increased resistance to breathing. So, this may cause breathing difficulty, particularly in hot, humid conditions. Prolonged use of respirator may cause pulmonary effects, loss of visual field due to full face mask protection, and workers may feel discomfort or develop local skin diseases caused due to irritation and itching. The difference between N95 and surgical masks are N95 masks are designed to filter 95% of airborne particles, whereas surgical masks prevent biological particles from being expelled from the wearer into the outside environment. N95 respirators are designed to reduce and prevent users' exposure to contamination, whereas surgical mask is a physical barrier, protects the user from body fluids. N95 mask comes in various sizes, but surgical mask is common. One size fits for all. Now, how to don N95 respirator? Secure the ties or bands at the middle of the head and neck. Fit flexible band to the nose bridge. Fit snug to face and below the chin. The next is how to remove the N95 respirator. Don't touch the front of the mask as it is contaminated. If your hands get contaminated when removing a mask, immediately wash your hands using alcohol-based sanitizer. Remove the mask by only touching the band or ties. Discard the respirator in the waste properly. The next do's and don'ts include: make sure the N95 respirator is not damaged. Ensure it is fitting properly. Only touch the straps while disposing the mask. Do wash your hands before and after using N95 respirator. Remove the N95 mask when there is no work in clinical space and even the patient intervention is complete. The don'ts include: do not wear the N95 mask if it is wet. Do not reuse the mask. And do not use the mask if it has any leakage or it is contaminated. Do not share N95 mask with others. And do not leave N95 respirator in hanging positions. So that's about N95 mask. If you missed watching other personal protective equipment videos, please watch it soon in our YouTube channel without fail, and the remaining videos will be posted soon. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, share our channel to your friends and colleagues, and please like our YouTube videos. You can also follow us in any of the social media platforms, and the links are given in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.